Is Brian the father of his wife's sister's son? Brian, you are not.
Look at this making out session right here. Or not making out session, but look how cute. Don't they love each other so much?
First we tested Brian's nephew.
Brothers and lovers.
Then we tested her brother-in-law's brother.
Aww.
Then we tested her fiance Tommy. You are not.
Nice how we have Morion in the background.
Yeah, alright.
So Kalina has had 7 DNA tests. She's tested 7 different men. But today, she says she's only going to...
You hear that, Jaivin? She's tested 7 different men.
6-month-old baby.
He is knocked out. It's sunny in here today, right, guys? What's the matter, Bella? Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good boy. Rebel, start scratching your bolas. And that's what he does. Good job listening. Appreciate it. Does Mom want to be on TV?
No, no. I look terrible.
Real quick. Who's on Maury? Let's see. 3 moms test 1 man. Is he their baby's dad? I don't know. Yep, he is. Jaivin, what do you think? You're up now.
Is he awake?
Yeah.
Aww, take a bubble out. He's so cute without the bubble.
And Jaivin. Hey. He doesn't look happy.
Aww.
Max. What's going on? Bella. 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 Here. Bella. 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 Bella, go. Bella. Yep, you lost toy.
That's what you get. It gives me. I was like, oh well. Anyway.
Get it, Rebel.
Toy. Toy, Rebel.
What to do? What to do? Rebel, get it.
Oh, toy number 2.
Anybody think you can get it?